it actually is a tweaking application, and what it does is it lets you like do all kinds of little tiny adjustments, like add like a quit thing to your Finder, or change the color of your bar up here. Just little tiny tweaks that make your computer run faster or slower. It depends on what you do. Mac Saver, really kind of a stupid application. I should probably delete that right about now. But you like wave your Mac around, and the motion sensor inside your Mac will make like lightsaber noises. Magnifique. I kind of used this for a little while, but I didn't like it too much. You can change some of the way stuff looks, like your Finder window. Like if you make a new Finder window, this will be black up here if you wanted it to, or whatever. Mail, of course, that's the regular mail application. Main menu is a application that's in your menu bar, and it lets you do all kinds of tweaks and stuff. Like if you can't empty something for some reason, just force empty it, or disable dashboard, maintenance scripts, all this kind of good. It's useful. And I actually replaced my calendar up here with this one, where it shows different events and stuff for each day. And then you got Monolingual, which is an application that lets you strip down applications, like remove languages that aren't even used. Movie Sync is if like a video and audio are off on a movie, you can change it, because that happens a lot if you download movies. Network Diagnostics comes on a Mac, This lets you change, if you don't like the see-through menu bar, you can change that. Comes on a Mac. This, if you want to change your icons for something, like my Safari icon, I changed to this. If you want to change your icon, then this is what you need if you want to use a regular picture to an icon. And this is a picture. It does kind of cool effects that I don't know how to do in Photoshop. This is a playlist, or PLS. It's a file editor for some Mac applications. Preview comes on a Mac. Quick Share, really cool application. I recommend getting if you own a Mac, because you basically it pops up in it'll pop up down here like this. All I do is you drag a file and drop it on this icon, and it'll upload it, and it's completely free. And from when you upload it, it'll give you a link so you can send to your friends, whatever, and then they can go to that link and download it if they want. And any file can get to 100 megabytes. RapidoStar is a new application I just got actually today. What it is it just lets you organize your applications you like. Like I have customization, images, download, upload, productivity, applications, and video. And it's just like a quick to get to your applications fast. Real Player is just an application for running real player videos. Safari is a really fast browser, faster than Firefox, I have to admit. Doesn't have the plugins, but it's still really convenient. Screen sharing comes on a Mac. SizeMag, little application, like you run this thing and it'll tell how much vibration is going on. CO Reader has an ICO Reader application. These have serial codes for every application you want for Mac, basically. Simplify Media is an application that lets me stream my music to my iPod. Skype is over the internet, voice over IP, telephone. Spaces, oops, that's not what a Spaces is. Spaces, multiple desktops. Stacks into place. Like if you look at my stacks, I have like a little drawers basically in front of all of them. So I like that effect, and that's what that does for you. Stationery Pack adds different templates for cool emails in your mail application, stickies, all this stuff comes with it. The Unarchiver is like the ultimate, like zip folders and all these crazy files. It'll open them up for you. Tidy Up will search your Mac for duplicate files, and then you can delete the ones that are duplicate if you don't want to. Save me a lot of space. Time Machine comes on my TomTom for my GPS. Transmission is a BitTorrent downloader, really fast, really simple, and it's just smart, so I recommend this one. TurboTax is a Windows application for watching TV on the internet. Utilities, this let me customize my login window so it looks a little bit more personalized and better. Visual Hub is like the ultimate video conversion stuff. It'll convert like anything to anything. This is like the ultimate video player. I mean, I don't use it very much, but it's still really good. And then it's called VLC, VMware Fusion. Like I've tried Parallels and this, and I recommend this. They're just smoother and less problems for running Windows. Wallsaver is an application that lets you use all the screensavers that are built into the Mac. It lets you use them as a wallpaper. Its CPU uses a lot, but it's still kind of cool. And this is actually a screensaver maker. It's XD Movie Maker application. And finally, it's XFlimmer, which takes all your applications, and then it'll scan all of them, and it'll remove anything that's not necessary. Like if your application is a universal application, meaning it'll work on all the computers in the past of Macintosh, like the G3s and stuff, it'll make it so it works just for your computer. And it saved me like gigabytes and gigabytes on all my applications that I have. And so that is everything that's in my applications folder. And then I have some other ones, Desktoptopia. I actually am not running that right now, but it lets me change my desktop every once in a while automatically, because I like a fresh desktop every once in a while. The iConnect lets me stream my media to my Xbox and my PS3, like video and music. That's Windows files. Growl notifications are really good. If I get like a new email, it'll let me know, like a little pop-up window. Or if someone's instant messaging me on Adyen, I'll get a little pop-up window. A little snitch prevents your computer, like applications, from trying to talk to the internet or something. Localmatic will show local area in the they'll show the wireless in your area. And Loctite is an application that gives you the ability to just lock your computer down for just like a temporary moment. Parane adds more video file capability for QuickTime. Precipitate will upload your bookmarks to Google bookmarks if you like. Secrets, pretty cool. It's kind of like a Mac Pilot. It adds a lot of tweaks and stuff to different applications. And Warp, I actually don't use Warp right now, but what you do is you enable it and you like use your mouse and you push over here and it'll go to the next space, push over here, go to the previous space, etc. And so that is just about everything I think I have now. There's probably going to be more that's coming on like tweaking and stuff, but that's just about it. So thank you, and please watch more videos that I'm going to put up.